Hello everyone. Okay, so I know I'm a little bit late. Hi Black Connection. Hi everybody. So I know I'm a little bit late doing my 5 o'clock update, but I am here right now. Hold on, Shapen. Whoever just sent me the request, give me 1 second. Let me do this quick update really quick and then I will go live with you. So I know I said I was doing my lives at 5 o'clock, but I had a meeting today. So I will do the update now. On this side over here, we use the Ghost Bond XL. Can you guys see? Can you guys see that? Okay, so on this side here, I use Ghost Bond XL. And I have a little bit of lifting just right here, but I like, most of it is staying still. So see, I can tug on it pretty hard. This is my Ghost Bond XL side. And then on this side over here, I use Bold Hold Extreme. So I don't have any lifting on my side here that I use Gold Bond Active. Now, once again, this is not a paid advertisement for either company. I purchased the product with my own money. I am just giving my honest feedback because my customers and clients ask me all the time what type of glue I should use. So yeah, that is my feedback. This is now about 48 hours, so I've had both of these glues on for 48 hours. And yeah, this is my Bold Hold Active side. There's no lifting at all. And this is my Ghost Bond XL. I just have a tiny bit of lifting right here. Neither one is turning white. They're both nice and clear. So yeah, that is my feedback so far. Once again, if you guys have any other glues that you would like for me to test, let me know so I can test them. If you guys have any other questions for me, let me know. I know I'm a little bit late for my live update, but I definitely still wanted to do the live update just to show you guys how it is coming along. So yeah, that is day 2 of my Bold Hold Active on this side and my Ghost Bond XL on this side. All right, guys, don't forget to come shop with us. We have hold on, how do I do this? We have a lot of wigs in store right now. This rack is coming down and we're adding even more wigs over the next 2 weeks. So stay tuned. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to pick up my product line. Big things are happening with the product line. Big things are happening with the product line. So yeah. But all right, guys, I'm Janice, owner of Magic Hair Company. We're located here in Culver City. Our business hours are Monday through Friday from 10 to 7, Saturdays 11 to 6. This is wig number 226. And yeah, hope everybody has a great evening. I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know what time I'm going to do my update tomorrow because I'm supposed to be wine tasting at 5. So I will do an update sometime tomorrow. Okay. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye.